Are you looking for that detached family home? Look no more. I'm here outside this 3-bedroom detached house on Birkhall Close. I'm Kirsty, property partner at CR Real Estate. Come with me, let's take a look inside. As you step through the front door of this home, you're greeted with a porch, which is a great space to leave your shoes. You then step foot into the spacious living room, followed onto a dining area, which is open with the kitchen. Off of the kitchen, there is also a lean-to that the current homeowners are using as a utility and storage room. To the first floor of the home, you have 3 good-sized bedrooms, a master bedroom that offers an ensuite shower room and also a family bathroom. Birkhall Close is located in a sought-after location due to being within close reach of local schools and amenities. For commuters, this property offers great road connections to London, Maidstone, Kent Coast, M2 and M20 motorways, plus being within 10 minutes drive from Chatham train station, which offers high-speed rail links taking you into London. This home also comes with a well-presented conservatory, which is perfect for your family to relax and unwind. The conservatory also comes with access into the garden. Externally, this home offers a manageable rear garden, which also has side access as well as a driveway to the front of the home. As you can see, there is also an integral garage which could be converted into another reception room, a bedroom or a study in the future, subject to planning. So if this home ticks your boxes and you're interested in viewing, give me a call on the number below.